Welcome to TeleLeaf, the premier online telemedicine clinic in Georgia for medical cannabis. At TeleLeaf, we bridge the gap between patients and qualified doctors, offering same-day access to your medicine. The process is seamless and straightforward. The first step is to fill out your medical intake form online. Step 2, engage in a consultation with our expert doctors over the phone. And the final step, get access to your medicine. Don't worry about getting approved. The approval process is very easy. Also with TeleLeaf, there's a money-back guarantee if for some reason you're not approved. It is necessary to meet one of the qualifying conditions to get approved. Visit TeleLeaf.com or look in the description below to see the full list. Once you are approved, your physician will send in the documentation to acquire your registry card through the Georgia Department of Public Health. At the dispensary, you will work hand in hand with a professional cannabis bud tender, from selecting the right product to understanding its effects and how to dose it properly. The available product range typically includes oils, tinctures, and topicals, but always consult with the dispensary for their current offerings, as the product range can change based on state regulations. When you visit the dispensary in Georgia, bring your government-issued ID, like a driver's license or a passport, as well as your registry card. This is essential for both verification and purchase. Thank you for visiting TeleLeaf, where life change begins. We are your easy access to medical cannabis in Georgia. Begin your journey with us today.